Okay, welcome to week 6. What we're going to do, a little bit of a flashback, and then we are going to talk about viruses. So that's kind of relevant to what's going on right now. Here is the outline. It's called the prokaryotic and virus cell. I know we've already talked about prokaryotic cells. It goes a little bit more in detail as far as cell shapes and what their cell walls are made of, things like that. And then we do cover virus parts, a little bit about diseases, that kind of thing. Here are the PowerPoints. On your lab experiment, there'll be a video up here, but you're basically going to go through and figure out if you have some dominant or recessive traits. And there are terms like homozygous dominant, homozygous recessive, which means you got the same alleles, either dominant alleles or recessive, and then you have heterozygous dominant, which is a dominant and a recessive allele. But alleles are genes, and dominant means that it's going to be expressed over a recessive gene. The only way to get recessive traits is if you get 2 copies of a recessive gene. So you're going to go through, it's a pretty simple lab, and then here's the quiz. Now, on the homework, you're going to be asked to pick 3 of these. I believe it's 3. Yes. Select 3 different infectious diseases. Try to pick a wide variety, but name the organism involved, like chickenpox, varicella virus. List 3 symptoms for each disease, and is there a vaccine available? Like rabies does have a vaccine. Rabies is weird. It's a viral infection, but it eventually gets into the central nervous system. But if you get bitten by somebody or something that has rabies, you can still get vaccinated for it because it has like a really slow progression. There's anthrax, pertussis, that's whooping cough, those are the bad things. Smallpox, that's variola. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, streptococcus, meningitis. There's different ones for that, but that's what you're doing for homework this week. But it's actually a pretty easy week, and there's the rubric for it. But that's what you're going to be doing this week. It's really over prokaryotic cells and viruses. So email me if you have any questions.